How do you view Markdown in Microsoft Visual Studio? So if you have a Markdown file like this one right here, the sample.md file, first you want to make sure that if you have a preview mode available to see the rendered Markdown, usually it's on the top here, you can click on Open Preview, which will open up the preview of the file as you can see right here. It appears to be correctly rendered. And if you don't have that option, you can go to Extensions from the top menu here, and then click on Manage Extensions. Now in the Browse tab, you want to look for Markdown Editor, and then press Enter and install the first extension, which is Markdown Editor V2. You can click on the Install button here. And once it's installed, you can close the Visual Studio, and this will appear where you can click on Modify to finish the installation. Make sure to close any opened Visual Studio instances. And once it's installed, you can open up the Visual Studio project again and load your project. Now all you need to do is double click on your MD or Markdown file to open it up. And this should automatically open the editor view and the Markdown view on the side. So you can switch between those or basically close the split view. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.